Before the world tells you who you are, decide who you want to become. Before doubt starts whispering limits into your mind, speak life into your mornings. The words you choose at the start of each day shape the lens through which you see the world, your mindset, your choices, your future. With intention and a little Stoic wisdom, you can train your thoughts, master your responses, and design a life aligned with your highest values. This is not about wishful thinking. It's about authorship, choosing your identity on purpose, practicing it in small ways, and letting that practice compound into character. The morning foundation. Speak before the world speaks. Your first words are like coordinates. They point your attention toward what matters in a way. Consider this identity statement. I am not who I was. I am who I was. I am not who I was. I am who I choose to become. The past is outside your control. Today isn't. Every morning is a blank page. The person you were yesterday cannot write today's sentence unless you hand them the pen. Your mistakes are lessons, not labels. Your scars are information, not labels. Your scars are information, not identity. Your history can inform you, but it does not own you. Epictetus reminds us, it's not what happens to you, but how you choose to respond. That choice is your freedom. If you want to change your future, start by changing the present. Your thoughts, your habits, your posture toward the day. Practical ways to embody this. Morning reset, close the loop. Remember, you are a living, breathing evolution. Give yourself permission to be new. I don't chase. I attract what belongs to me. Chasing often comes from lack, a belief that something essential is out there, just beyond reach. Attraction comes from alignment, becoming the kind of person who naturally welcomes the outcomes you seek. This isn't magic, it's mechanics. Identity drives habits. Habits shape outcomes. Outcomes reinforce identity. When you stop chasing approval, you stop broadcasting need. When you cultivate character steadiness, integrity, courage, you broadcast strength. The right people, opportunities, and challenges begin to meet you where you are because your presence signals readiness. How to shift from chasing to attracting. Clarify the target identity. I am a calm, disciplined, generous person. Align your environment, remove friction from good habits, add friction to distractions. Act like the future you. Now, ask, what would the person I'm becoming do next? Confidence without arrogance. Openness without neediness. That's the signal of abundance. I am the author, not the audience, of my life. It's easy to drift into passive consumption, watching, scrolling, waiting. But you're not here to spectate, you're here to write. Authorship means you choose your priorities before the day chooses them for you. You set your standards and meet them, especially when no one is watching. You turn obstacles into chapters, not excuses. Amor, Fati. Plan 3 MITs, most important tasks. Do 1 before messages and meetings. When plans break, update the plan, not your purpose. You hold the pen. Use it. My time, energy, and peace are sacred. Attention is your most valuable currency. Spend it with intention. The world will always try to spend it for you. Alerts, opinions, obligations. But you choose what earns access to your mind. Boundaries are not walls, they're filters. They protect what matters. Daily boundary practices. Don't start your day with other people's priorities. No notifications before your first intention. Create a focus window, 45-90 minutes of deep work, phone in another room, notifications off. Consistency is my superpower. Motivation fluctuates. Discipline translates intention into action regardless of mood. Consistency compounds those actions into identity. Think of your life like a garden. Discipline breaks the ground and plants seeds. Consistency waters, often when nothing visible is growing. Time and patience yield the harvest. Practical consistency framework. Make it obvious. Lay out clothes, open the dock, prep the tools the night before. Make it small. Minimum viable action. Write 50 words, 5 push-ups, 5 minutes of practice. Make it scheduled, same time, same cue, same place. Abates. Make it tracked. Simple checkboxes or streaks. Evidence you can. Palmeditatio malorum, 90 seconds. Anticipate one likely challenge. Visualize your best response. Decide it now. Top 3 priorities, 90 seconds. Write 3 concrete actions. Circle the one you'll do first. Boundary cues, 30 seconds. Silence non-essential notifications. Put the phone in another room for your first focus block. Gratitude and intention, 60 seconds. Note 1 thing you appreciate and 1 person you'll support today. Total, A6-8 minutes. Small investment, disproportionate returns. A Stoic evening reset, close loops, release the day and prime tomorrow. Review, what did I do well? Where did I drift? What's 1 improvement? Reduce. When criticized, thank you, I'll consider that. Filter for truth, discard the rest. When delayed or disrupted, adjust the plan, not the purpose. When overwhelmed, 1 thing, then the next. Triage calmly. When you slip, reset now, not Monday. The next right action is the cure. Metrics that matter. Measure what you control. Inputs, minutes focused, reps completed, pages written, outreach sent, walks taken. Integrity, promises kept to yourself. Recovery, hours of sleep, screens off before bed, time outdoors, quiet minutes. Don't obsess over external outcomes, they lag. The inputs lead. Common pitfalls and how to bypass them, all or nothing thinking, replace with always something. I do first what matters most. I protect my focus and peace. I act with courage, even in small ways. I am becoming the person my future needs. Repeat until you act like it. Act like it until you are it. Put it all together, a day lived on purpose. Morning, anchor identity. Set boundaries. Start with your highest leverage task. Midday, recenter, briefly. One breath, one stretch, one intention. Return to your lane. Afternoon, expect friction. Translate obstacles into adjustments. Evening, close loops, capture lessons. Protect sleep. Carry this rhythm and your life begins to take the shape of your choices. Not your impulses, not the crowd, not the noise. Final reminder, you hold the pen. The past is reference, not destiny. You are who you choose. Today, in this moment, with this next action. Write the next sentence, then the next. Let your days become paragraphs, your paragraphs become chapters, and your chapters reveal the life you meant to live.